When precision is paramount and accuracy is non-negotiable, FLW ensures your instruments perform optimally with our precision instrument calibration services.
We bring 3 decades of trusted, ISO-accredited metrology expertise straight to your doorstep. With our on-site calibration services, you experience a fast same-day turnaround without interrupting your operations.
Managing your calibrations is now easier than ever with our convenient online portal, CalSoft. Whether it's temperature uniformity surveys or pressure gauges up to 40,000 psi, our precise calibration touches every facet of your industry needs.
Trusted by top brands, FLW is your partner for continuous accuracy, from aerospace to automotive, pharmaceutical to biotech.
Contact us today to learn more about FLW Calibration Services and how we can assist you in maintaining the high standards your industry demands.